Tofu is now 7 months old, and it has been more than a year since COVID hit Australia and we all started to work from home. Things have somewhat returned to normalcy here in Melbourne. Let's hope the good news continue and we will soon be rid of this virus so we can all travel again. Today, I'm showing you how to make a very quick weeknight recipe that you can make in less than 20 minutes, Yaki Udon, or stir-fried rice noodle. I didn't use any meats here, but you can add whatever meat you have or substitute the oyster sauce with mushroom flavored soy sauce to make this dish vegan. For the stir-fry sauce, you need soy sauce, oyster sauce or mushroom flavored soy sauce or hoisin sauce as vegan substitute, mirin or sweet cooking wine, and sugar. As always, I'll put the exact quantities in the description below. You need 1 tablespoon soy sauce, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce or substitute, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Soak the dry shiitake mushroom in boiling water for about half an hour. In the meantime, let's prep the rest of the ingredients. Slice the tofu into thin slices. Julienne the zucchini and the carrot. Check out my yakisoba and grilled pork noodle bowl recipes for different ways to julienne. Cut the spring onion into 2 cm pieces. Peel and cut the snow peas into 2 to 3 cm pieces. Remove the stem from the mushroom and cut the cap into small slices. Heat up some oil in a wok and add spring onion. Add the rest of the ingredients in the order of how long they would take to cook, with the ones taking longest going in first. At the same time, cook the udon according to the packet instruction and strain well. When the toppings are mostly cooked, add the udon and the sauce and give it a quick stir fry. This is optional, but I like to add sunny side up egg, seaweed flakes, and some Japanese mayonnaise. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notification for when I upload new videos.